Welcome everyone. Are you tried various methods to increase your Instagram followers with no success? Well, today I will share a new method to get free Instagram followers without login or fake accounts. Every time I refresh, my followers count keep increasing. And as you can see, I receive a new followers every second. And I will try it with you on both devices, iOS and Android. Stay tuned as I will show you how you can do it. And I will walk you through the process step by step. Watch the video till the end because there is a crucial step at the end of the video. All the accounts are real and interactive as you can see. Before we dive in, make sure your account is not private. So from the little dashes up here, go to account settings, then privacy, and make sure your private account is turned off to be able to receive your followers. The previous step was very important. We have to go to phone settings, then general, then background app refresh, and make sure it's on both networks. And then look down for Instagram and make sure it's turned on. After finishing this step, we go back to settings again, then search for notifications. Then look down for Instagram app and make sure that allow notification is turned on. That was the crucial steps for iOS users. If you are an Android user, you will go to mobile settings, then search for apps, then manage apps, and search for Instagram app, and make sure that both app activity if unused is turned on. Then open notifications, and show notifications should be turned off as you can see. Then go back and search for any browser you would like to use. Well, I like to use Safari. Then go to this exclusive website, which you will get free followers for all social media platforms: Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. I will leave website link on pinned comment. Also, the website have a customer service for any issue. Today, I'll be sharing an Instagram method, so let's click on it. The website will redirecting you to an Instagram page. And as you can see, there are many recent users. The website asks for my accurate Instagram account. I will test the method at this account from my Android. Check the number of followers before we start. I will type the username manually, but you can copy and paste it. Then to proceed, you have to mark on the button I agree terms and conditions. Then click on start. Now the website will check and connecting to my account. Yes, this is my account. The website shows my account with image and number of followers on posts. As you can see guys, that's unbelievable. This website have 3 plans to grow your followers. I advise you to choose second plan, 2,500 followers. Then I click on continue. Now the website confirming the plan you choose. Just click on confirm. Again guys, as I told you, make sure your account is not private. And if you have tried this method and it doesn't work, you can message me on Instagram and I'll increase your account manually. And if you want to be famous on social media, don't forget to subscribe my channel, as I will make more videos in the future. The website connected successfully to Instagram API. In injecting the account with followers you asked, the website may verify automatically. And because of the frequent connection on the website, it may verify automatically. However, the website might ask you to complete last step to approve you are human, not a robot. And as you can see, the website is asking me to complete last step to prove that I am a human. So we have to click on continue, and the website will redirect you to the last step page. These tasks can be completed by email, phone number, downloading an app, or a survey. You have to complete at least 2 tasks within 10 minutes to unlock the final page and receive the followers. And as you can see, there is a difficulty levels, good and normal and fast. So I will choose this one as a start. It asks me to complete a simple survey. It won't take 20 seconds and very easy guys. I will do whatever it takes. It might open another page, so I will close it. And done guys. So I will go back again to the original tasks page and I'll choose another task randomly. Oh, this task must be completed by phone number. It may ask you for code to confirm your phone number. And as you guys can see, the tasks are very easy. It took me only 2 minutes of my time. I will go back to the original page again to unlock the final page. Well, let's refresh the page. Whoa, congratulations! I have unlocked the final page. Now I have to confirm username to receive my followers. Then click on start. As you can see, the service has started successfully and it may take up to 12 hours to complete. And now it's time to check. So let's go back to Instagram and check the followers. And we will see the live proof for both accounts. We will start with Android and check the recent received account. You can see recent notifications few seconds ago, real accounts with stories. As you can see, I still getting new followers, and all followers are real account and active. Also safe. As we said before, if you have tried this method and it doesn't work for you, you can reach me out on Instagram and I will do it manually. The followers arrive slowly, as you can see, because they are real, not bots. However, with every refresh, I gain new followers. You should try this method immediately. Let's check random account to see the quality of account. This account is real, as you can see, and has posts and story. Tell me your experience in the comments. Don't hesitate to contact me for any support. Don't forget to like and share if you like the tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.